Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this set of two nightstands that this brand sent to me for the video. I'm going to show them to you in a close-up, of course, in a few seconds, but I do want to show you how cool these are to put kind of like each one of them on the sides of the bed, like a queen or king bed, or just like a full bed, something like that. It could be really good for that. Of course, these are farmhouse style, so these are kind of like more, I want to say, like old school nightstand, not like super modern. So if your house decoration goes with the farmhouse style, this could be really good. Let's take a closer look. But first, let's talk about the assembly process. My wife did it with power tools. It took her, like, I want to say, no more than 30 minutes or 45 minutes. 45 minutes, both of them, or kind of like 20 minutes each one of them. I think these are super cool and not super hard to assemble. So here you can take a closer look. You can see that have plenty of space, plenty of room to put some things inside, of course. Since each one of this has 24 inches tall by 18 inches wide. And of course, you can see that you have that special shelf to put some of your things there, like your devices, or put like a phone charger on top, or like a lamp. And then you also have the door inside to put your shoes, some books, some things that you're gonna use and have in within easy reach when you're going out of bed. But I kind of like the style of this one, the farmhouse style, as you can see over here. With the door, it comes with a magnet right here, so it stops right there, super nice and easy to open. And of course, these are not super flimsy also, these are more like firm, and I do like that it's kind of like soft to the touch, kind of like here, so it's not like a super rugged wood or something like that. And it comes with wooden rubber pads on the kind of like on the legs, so it won't damage your wooden floor if you have, like me, that have a wooden floor. And it also comes with rubber pads right there on the bottom, so it won't damage your wooden floor if you have one like me. But bottom line, if you're looking for something farmhouse size, super easy to assemble, really good for putting things like you're gonna use and within easy reach every night or something like that, these two could be a really good set of two nightstands. They're kind of beautiful, I have to say, but also they're not like super modern to kind of like disrupt your home decoration, your house decoration, just like that. I love them. I like them. These are super cool and work, of course, keeping them. I'm going to give them a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.